nothing like loving you, loving you, loving you. It ain't nothing like loving you, loving you, loving you. It ain't nothing like loving you.
Loving you isn't easy. The thought about it made me sleepy. I was gone cold and I got
It is now 8:47, and I'm going to be doing some ASMR crunches, and I'm gonna have the phone like this, so you're not gonna be able to see me probably. But sorry for the background noises, if there is any. But yeah. All right, hold on.
I'm not even talking about that. I'm talking about before. You hear me? I'm glad you got the call back.
Hold on. Alright, hold up. one more thing, and then I'm done this YouTube video. And sorry for any backgrounds, like I said, background noises. Alright. Alrighty. Alright, hold on. Y'all, now I'm going to be doing a little review of what I just ate. Alright. First thing I
Okay,
ate.
so people that aren't left up could call me.
Mommy, go in here. Was a lettuce. The second thing I ate was applesauce. No, it was carrots and dip. And then the third thing I ate was applesauce and then pudding. So, yeah, if y'all want more videos like this, comment down below. If y'all want more videos like this, comment down below. And like and subscribe to this video right now. And peace. Sorry for the background noises. I know it wasn't not satisfying, but peace.